Hi, Sara Levin, the Artful Inker here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've just gotten some new ink pads and I thought I would take a minute and go through with you what to do to get yours set up. So of course you're going to take the plastic overwrap off, and then if you flip over to the back you'll notice that there's this row of labels here. So I take the spatula end of my Take Your Pick tool and just go under the edge here. Let me put this down instead of holding it in the air. And there we go. And I'm going to pick that up. And then the first thing I'm going to do is take this one that says Polished Pink and, whoops, kind of center it here on the front, where I'll be able to see from the front what it is when it's in my shelf. And then I'm going to go back to the back and pull off the plain label down here at the bottom. And we're just going to stick that on my spatula end there for a second. And that's the sticky end. And the spatula is kind of like my third hand that I feel like I need. And we're just going to stick this right down in the tray. And that way when my ink pad or your ink pad is open, you'll be able to tell which of the pinks this is in this case. So now I'm all ready to stamp with my new polished pink ink pad. Thanks for stopping by. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video. And of course, if you're in the United States, please purchase some of your Stampin' Up! Products in my store. You can find a link for that in the description below. Have a great day. Bye.